If you keep getting coughs, colds, or throat irritation again and again, try this Ayurvedic blend instead of more pills. Here's how to make it. Grind together 100 green peeled almonds, 50 green black pepper, 30 green thread mishri natural rock sugar. Make a fine powder and store it in a jar. Take half a teaspoon daily, in the morning or before bed. In Ayurveda, this mix is known to pacify cough, reduce inflammation, and prevent seasonal flare-ups. Also balances all doshas, strengthens the lungs, boosts immune response, sharpens focus, and even supports eye health.
Stop Google symptoms. Google Ask Ayurveda.